Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Linguistics and Literature. Today we are gonna discuss about past simple tense. It is the most important tense. We used past simple tense when we are talking about our past, the stories and the things that had happened in past. When we are talking about these things, we use past tense, right? So today we are going to discuss about this important and the commonly used tense in our speaking, in our writing. So you people have to watch the video till then, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and write a comment and suggest in the comment. Okay, we are going to start now. What is past simple tense? Actually, what is past simple tense? This is the question. First of all, in this question we will come to know about that what is past simple tense, and we can say what is the usage of past simple tense, how will we define when we are asked, and what is the concept of past simple tense. We'll come to know about that. The past simple tense is used to describe actions or events that occurred and were completed at a specific point in the past. Means the actions or events that occurred in the past or completed in the past in a specific time. This is what our past simple tense. This is the use. This is the definition. This is the concept of past simple tense. Now, it is one of the basic verb tenses in English and is often one of the first tenses learners encounter. We can say that this is the first thing, and this is somehow tricky tense when we are speaking or when we do write, and we encounter difficulties while understanding this past simple tense. So we are gonna complete this confusion in today's video. Structure of past simple tense. The structure, we need to know the structure and the usage. Okay, the structure of past simple tense in affirmative sentences means the positive sentences. We can say subject plus past tense verb. Subject plus past tense verb. There can irregular verbs in AD, irregular verbs and in ED, and in ED irregular verbs have unique past tense forms. Okay, now in the structure we have to keep in mind two things, but the past tense has the structure. I will tell you the structure, but before that, the subject is the main thing, the doer of an action or the thing that is being talked about. This is what our subject of past tense, and past tense verb in form of a regular verb end in ed or irregular verb that can different forms, a unique past tense form we can say. Okay, after that there can be subject, there can be object, and there can be any complement in that sentence, right? Example, she walked. She is the subject, the doer of an action here, and walked is the past form, the second form of the verb. And to school here it is a object we can say, and yesterday that is the adverb, right? So this is what a complete tense: subject plus second form of verb plus object plus any complement if you want to add. That is what the structure of past simple tense. Regular verbs, irregular verbs, regular versus irregular verbs. Okay, the difference. Regular verbs from the past simple tense by adding ed to the base form. Sometimes we add only ed, that these are regular verbs to make the second form and the third form, right? For example, talk becomes talked. And irregular verbs have unique past tense form, do not follow a specific pattern. We can have example: go, went, eat, ate. Likewise, we have many example. Okay, negative form of past simple tense. What is the negative form? The structure of the past simple tense in negative form: that is subject plus did not or didn't, we can say, plus base form of verb plus object plus complement you can add. Okay, we can say she did not or she didn't go to school, likewise. But one thing we have to keep in mind, if you use didn't or didn't, then what will we do, after that the base form of verb will be in that we can say the base form is the first form. Okay, after did there will be the first form of the verb. We have to keep in mind this. Example, he didn't finish his homework yesterday. Now he didn't finish is first form, finished we haven't written here. That's why this is what, when we use did, we don't have to use the second form. Questions in past tense, this is interrogative, right? The to form questions in the past simple tense, we use the auxiliary verb did followed by the base form of the verb. We will see the example. Did you enjoy the movie last night? Did, after that subject, then verb, then the object, then any modifier you can add. Okay, time expressions with past simple tense. Time expressions often used with the past simple tense. Yesterday, last week, last year, ago, in 2005, etc., etc. When we use these modifiers, it means that we are using past simple tense. Okay, example, I visited Paris last summer. Last we have used here. Okay, usage of past simple tense, where do we use? Used for actions or events that happen at a specific time in past. This is already done. Example, she finished her work before lunch. This is done. Used for habits or actions that occurred regularly in the past. He always walked to school when he was a child. So this was today's lecture. We are done with everything about past simple tense. If there is still any question, anything missing, you can suggest in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.